Hello, welcome you all. Myself Jitam Kumar Saini from Jaipur. I am a practicing advocate and I am also a member of ICSI. Now today we are discussing regarding to the hot topic, that is regarding to the insolvency and bankruptcy code. What are the changes made in this year in 2021? First of all, very beautifully government has come with all the steps regarding to the changement in the limits of the IBC. First of all, they issued a gazette notification dated 4th April 2021. They come up with the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code Amendment Ordinance 2021. They come up with this ordinance, and in this ordinance they have inserted some sections, some chapters. First of all, they have inserted in section 4, there is a new provision. The new provision was added, which enhanced the power of the central government regarding to amendment of the limit. So first of all, they come with an ordinance giving the power to the central government regarding to the limit, that the limit should not be increased above the amount of rupees 1 crore rupees. And also they have also inserted section 11. Section 11, they interchange the word. In section 11, interchange the word through normal processing to, they have added the word pre-package insolvency resolution process. So, and also added the chapter 3rd A. These are the three basic things which they have done, and I have in my video link I have also annexed the links of this gazette notification. After that, after 4th April 2021, government came with a new gazette notification on 9th April 2021 specifying the limit, which they empowered under section 4, and now they have increased the limit from 1 lakh to 10 lakh rupees. Now first, second, they have also changed the name of the processor to the pre-package insolvency resolution process. So this is the second gazette notification after 4th April 2021. Then on the same day, they came up with the insolvency and bankruptcy, that is a pre-package insolvency rule 2021. In this rule, they have specified many things regarding to their working, like what are the eligibility to act as a resolution professional and his terms of appointment, eligibility of registered valuers and other professionals, identification and selection of authorized representatives, what are the procedure of public announcements, claims and stakeholders का क्या informations है. After that, they have also given the information memorandum, meeting of the creditors, committee of creditors, invitation of resolution plan, competition between the base resolution plan and the best resolution plan, evaluation, consideration of resolution plans. The simple short is that they have repealed the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code 2016. First of all, we did the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code Amendment Ordinance 2021 by inserting proviso in section 4 of the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code 2016, and also insertion was made in section 11 regarding to the change of name. Now the insolvency processing will be called as pre-package insolvency resolution process, and the amount is 10 lakh rupees. New chapter 3rd A was added. After that, they come with the new gazette notification on 9th April 2021 with specifying the limit, and after that they come with the rules which I have mentioned to you. This is the short summary regarding to the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code 2016, which happened in this month April. So I have given the full information regarding to it, and I hope this will be very beneficial to you, and I will share a Word file or also a PDF regarding to the gazette notification and the amendment made in this notification. Okay guys, thank you so much.